Hello everyone! Look at these Playdough surprises! Oh, it's that beautiful yellow one! Guess who's inside? Oh wow! Do you know him?
I'm a little green man.
Yes, he's from Toy Story. And this is a free-eyed alien. And he lives on a pizza planet. Well, who is in this red one? Let's open it. Wow, do you know him? I actually don't know what to say, but as I know, this is a Splinter Mutant Rat. And as I know, he reincarnated to Hamato Yoshi. Yes, well, look here who is in the green surprise. Here is a car. It's pretty fast. Oh yes. Vroom, vroom. I love this color on you. Well, let's open this orange surprise. Who is hidden there? Oh, look here! Here is Shopkins. Oh, is it Molly Mops? I think so, yes, Molly Mops from Cleaning and Laundry Collection. Well, here is the last one. Guess who is in there? Let's open it. And inside is a human Twilight Sparkle. Look at her, she's beautiful. She has a green book with her. Oh, she's really beautiful. Princess Twilight Sparkle. Thank you for watching us. We are always glad to see you at Kids Toys channel. To have more fun, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.